You know what he's like. From the time he could crawl, he's been different. He doesn't listen. He has the attention span of a sparrow. I take him fishing and he goes hunting for trolls. Even as a boy, I knew what I was, what I had to become. Hiccup is not that boy.
Why can't you follow the simplest order?
Oh, yeah. Many things, Hiccup. But a dragon killer is not one of them. Thank you for saving my son.
He always said you'd become the strongest of them all. And he was right. You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon. Only you can bring our worlds together. That is who you are, son.